Welcome to eTab's Graphique, a unique plugin for PowerPoint designed to save you time and make your ad hoc charting and storytelling more accurate and efficient. Graphique can take banner tables from any standard analysis tool, including SPSS, Wincross, Q, Uncle, Mentor, and Excel. Once installed, all of Graphique's easy-to-use functions are accessible from the toolbar embedded within PowerPoint. Let's see Graphique in action. First, we'll choose a data source. It has a nice table of contents where you can easily navigate through each of the questions, and its data is visible in the data grid at the bottom of the screen. To create your charts and tables with Graphique, it's as simple as selecting the data you want, then dragging and dropping the data onto the slide. Pick a default table or chart, embedded Excel, or select a preferred chart from your own library. This would contain your pre-formatted corporate or client-branded chart styles. In our library, we'll select a pie chart from the Internet Report folder. Graphique inserts that chart object onto the slide and automatically fills the datasheet with your selected data. All the charts that we create with Graphique remain fully editable native PowerPoint objects. No pictures of charts here. Now let's update the existing data in the country chart you see on the right. We just want to bring in the percentage values. Graphique's powerful data filter includes an option to exclude frequency rows, thereby isolating the percentages, even rounding them, and aligning any significance testing letters alongside the values. When I add the new data, I can choose whether to append and add it beneath existing data rows, slot it into new columns to the right of the existing data, or replace the data that was already there. Graphique opens the chart datasheet and drops in the chosen data. Notice any significance letters that I had in my data have also been brought into the data labels of my chart. Now let's automatically add the base sizes to the chart. The base sizes are pulled in with the notation n equals alongside my column labels. Let's add the question text at the bottom of the slide. You could, of course, choose to place it anywhere. Next, I'll append new data onto an existing table comparing different questions. I just jump to another question, select the required data, and drag and drop. The match option will add the new data in the correct position, even if the row order is different. Next is our sorting wizard. Sorting can be used on any PowerPoint deck, whether the charts or tables were created with Graphique or not. Let's sort this data on the United Kingdom column in descending order, and you want the Smart TV label to appear at the top. So we right-click and force it to the top, and then right-click Other Internet Devices and force to the bottom in the same way. Once I click Apply, the chart is sorted by my new parameters. Here I want to read the label order from one chart and replicate the same label order for the other two charts on the slide. I go into the sorting option in the first chart and choose the option to read in the label order. I then apply that label order to the row labels in the other charts. Graphique opens each chart, reordering them to match the row label order from my first chart. It's now done that for France in the middle of the slide, and it's opening up the Switzerland chart and making the same changes there. That's a highlight of some of the main features in the core Graphique. There are several powerful add-ons in Graphique Studio that extend functionality to further suit your charting needs. Slides, statistics, refresh, and formats. Finally, Graphique also integrates with another eTab's PowerPoint plugin called Visuals. Visuals is a unique extension enabling instant creation of data-driven infographic elements within your PowerPoint slides, with data fed directly to them from Graphique. I can drag and drop my data to either create a new visuals object from my library or onto an existing visuals object, and it will update in seconds, bringing presentations to life with more than just your typical charts and tables. Clients say Graphique is like having their own charting assistant, saving hours of effort with the peace of mind knowing that accuracy is ensured. Those hours can now be reinvested more creatively with time for further analysis. Contact us today and schedule a discussion with one of our consultants who will analyze your reporting needs and can provide a more in-depth demonstration of Graphique. eTabs, we give you data, insight.